Hello everyone. So this is Dr. Rehan Ali Mondal here, and there has been a little unrest here at KPC Medical College today, and I'm making this video right now to give you a brief idea of what has been going on, why all this commotion today. So it's approximately 8 p.m. right now. I'm in my hostel room right now. So what happened basically is that we are the intern batch right now. We took admission in KPC in 2016. We are the current intern batch over here. Basically, we gave a letter to the authorities on 20th of May stating about our stipend issue. Like, we are being paid a stipend of our first salary came in, and the stipend amount was 7016, that is 7016 rupees. Now, compared to the government colleges or the other colleges in our state, like, we came in through the same exam, West Bengal Joint Entrance or NEET, say it. We appeared for all the same 4 professional exams that any other student in other colleges have appeared. We studied under the same university, that is WBUHS. So even after doing all these things at par with them, but still our stipend amount that we get is very less compared to them. Like, we get around 7,000 to 7.5. Like, even in the first month they gave us 7,000, not even 7.5k. But in the government colleges or the other colleges, they get around 28,000. That also last year they got an increment, but we didn't get any increment. Our stipend issue amount has been 7,500 for the past around 6 years, and there has been no change. Time and again the students have approached the authorities, but there has been no differ or no change in that. And especially in this time, like in COVID times, where we have to do duties in Beleghata ID, where we have to do COVID duties. In Subhashgram also, in emergency OPD, there are COVID positive patients coming in. Even in our emergency itself, there are many times the COVID positive patients are coming in. We are not being provided any protective gear by the authorities, neither a PPE nor any face mask or any head cap, anything. Even in OPD at times, even in OT, at times the patients that are being taken to the OT table, they are testing positive. So especially at this time, with all these risks around, and like the protective amount, the amount of money that goes into protective gears, like sanitizers itself cost so much. All these things, especially in this time of a pandemic, they are paying us 7,000 rupees per month, which is not feasible. Like, we have to go through such things, like even transport, getting a cab from home to here costs so much. So especially during this time of the pandemic, where so much has been going on, we do deserve a raise. Like, this amount is absolutely not done. If you think, like, with all due respect to all the security guards, all the other workers, like, no one is being paid so less in our college. Everyone, like, so we don't deserve this we deserve a little more. Now our college is on a PPP model, okay, public private partnership, and there are 50 students from WebG, West Bengal Joint Quota. So government is sending a stipend for those 50 students. If they even equally divide the stipend for those 50 students among the 150 students, which they shouldn't do, because everyone deserves an equal pay, but still if they do that, even then we are getting more than 7.5k, but they are not giving us that even. Where is the money going? Like this, we are not asking, demanding out of anything. We are putting in the same duty hours, same duty efforts, we pass the same exams. Still, why this parity in our pay? Why? Even private colleges like IQ City and all, they are paying a minimum amount of 15,000, something like that. So our college being in the center of a metropolitan city like Calcutta, where we have the same workload, same everything, we have the same number of on-call days, everything is same, but why this parity then? That is our question to the authorities. Why this parity? When we are putting in the same effort, same duty hours, taking the same risks, why this parity?